Most people do not fail because their business idea is bad. They fail because they never let the market see the idea in the first place. They wait for the perfect website, the perfect logo, the perfect sales funnel, the perfect plan. And they call it being strategic, but really they're hiding. Because as long as the idea stays in your head, nobody can reject it, nobody can ignore it, nobody can prove it wrong, and that feels safe. But it also keeps you stuck. Months go by, and you still have nothing online. No offer, no traffic, no feedback, no customers, just a folder full of almosts. But one entrepreneur, he did the opposite. He launched 12 startups in just 12 months, one every single month. And not every one worked. That's the point. He got answers faster than most people even get ready. Some of the startups failed, some made money, and a few went on to become real successful businesses. So the lesson is not that you need to build 12 businesses. You don't. Your first job is to get one real idea in front of one real person. Fast, because the market cannot respond to a business that only exists in your notes app. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take an idea out of your head and turn it into a real offer. Put it online and start testing it without spending months building the wrong thing. And the tool I'm about to show you makes this all happen so much faster. Because with this, you may not need a month to launch. You could build the first version of your business in a week, maybe as little as an hour. And I'm not talking about some fake garbage business, not a pretty mock-up, a real page, a real offer, a real test. So if you've been sitting on an idea, this is where we stop planning and we start building. Check this out. Hold on, before we go any further, this is not some kind of weird get-rich-quick video, because launching a business does not guarantee you'll make money. AI does not guarantee customers, and building faster does not mean that you're skipping the work that goes into building a profitable business. You need a real offer, and you need to solve real problems. You still need traffic, leads, follow-up, and consistency, but the AI tool I'm about to show you can help you with all of that. It will help you remove all the technical roadblocks that stop most beginners from ever launching. And that is what this video is all about. Most new entrepreneurs do not have an idea problem. They have a finishing problem. They start a website, and then they change the colors, and then they rewrite the headline, and then they switch tools that they're using to run the site. Then they buy another course, and then they decide they need a better niche. That is the trap. You feel busy, but nothing is live. Launching a business can be scary because it makes the idea real. When the business is still in your head, it feels perfect in there. No one can reject it. Nobody can ignore it. Nobody can tell you your price is too high, and nobody can leave your page without buying. Once you launch, then reality kicks in, and reality gets a vote. And that is what most people are avoiding. They are avoiding the feedback. That is why the 12 startups in 12 months idea is so powerful. The goal was not to make every startup perfect. The goal was to build the habit of finishing. Pick an idea, build the simple version, launch it, see what happens, and then learn from the market. But every launch gives you something that planning and thinking and analyzing never can. You get real feedback. You do not need more planning. You need proof. Proof that people care. Proof that people click. Proof that people want the things that you're offering. And you only get that proof by launching. You do not need a complicated setup. You need 5 basic pieces. First, a simple offer. What problem do you solve? Second, you need a page that explains that offer clearly. Who is it for? What do they get? Why should they care? And third, you need a way to collect leads. That could be a form, a quiz, a sign-up page, or some kind of what they call a lead magnet that you give away for a subscription. And then fourth, you need a follow-up system, because most people do not buy the first time they see you. And fifth, you need a way to drive traffic. That could be content, ads, partnerships, communities, outreach, ranking in the search engines. There's a lot of ways to get traffic. But those 5 things, that's the basic machine. Offer, page, leads, follow-up, traffic. That is the online business foundation. Here is where beginners get stuck. They try to build all of that with 10 different tools, One tool for the website, one tool for the sales funnel, one tool for their email, another tool for hosting, one tool to host their forms, another tool for blogging, another tool for analytics, another tool for automation. And suddenly the business, it just feels impossible. Not because the idea is impossible, because the setup, it's too heavy, too complex. And when the startup feels heavy and complex, that's where people drop out and quit. The better way is to launch the simple version first, not the perfect version, the live version. You can improve the logo later. You can improve the copy later. You can improve the funnel later, but you cannot improve a business that does not exist. So the goal is simple. Get your idea online, get real people to see it, collect leads, follow up, learn what they want, and then improve. That is how you build momentum. Stop asking, is this perfect? And start asking, is this clear enough to test? Don't ask, what if people hate it? Instead, start asking, what can I learn if people ignore it? Don't ask, how do I build the perfect version? Instead, start asking, what's the smallest version I can launch this week? Your first version is not supposed to be the final business. It's supposed to start the conversation. Now, here's where this video gets practical, because I can tell you to launch faster all day. But if you're a beginner, the tech can still feel overwhelming. You might be thinking, okay, how do I actually build the website? How do I create the funnel? How do I collect leads? How do I send all the follow-up emails? How do I write blog posts? How do I connect up my domain name? How do I set all these pieces up without spending weeks figuring it out? That's where Buildy comes in. So Buildy AI solves all of this in one place. And all you have to do is talk to it, believe it or not. I'll show you. So I'll do that right now. I'm going to show you the easier way. Let's have a conversation with Buildy, and we'll launch a business while you watch. So here we are inside Buildy, and we can start with as little as a rough business idea. Not a perfect plan, just a simple idea. Now, for example, let's say I wanted to launch a coaching offer, a local service, a digital product, a consulting business, or maybe you want to promote things as an affiliate to get commissions. Maybe you want to generate leads, but you come to Buildy with that general idea, and Buildy will help you create all the pieces you need, starting from doing market research and guiding what you're going to build. Let me show you.
Hey there, Bill. I'm Buildy. I can help you build a website, run market research, set up marketing campaigns, and more. What are you working on?
Yeah, I want to start a new business, and I need your help doing some research. Like I'm thinking about something in the fitness or gym space, but I need help trying to figure out what niche. Now, I've had my own health journey, and working out in the gym and fitness has been an important part of solving my health. But can you do some research for me and give me some ideas of how to niche down and how to actually create a business that people will care about?
I'm creating your project space around that fitness research right now, so you'll land there in just a moment. And while we wait, we can start thinking through some angles together if you want.
I'm a guy in my 50s. Maybe that makes me more relatable to certain people. I don't know if that helps guide the decision.
That's actually really useful context. And there's a huge underserved market of men in their 40s and 50s who feel like mainstream fitness wasn't built for them. A lot of men your age have had that same experience or are right on the edge of it, and they're looking for someone who actually gets it. Have you thought at all about whether you'd want to be the face of the brand, like a personal coaching or content-driven business, or more of a product or program that runs a bit more independently of you personally?
I don't mind necessarily myself being involved, but I hope to have it be mostly a brand.
That's a smart way to think about it. You as a credible voice behind the brand without it being entirely dependent on you showing up every day. It gives you flexibility to scale.
So based on your research, does it look like we could launch a digital product business where we do like trainings and courses and things like that, but also offer personalized coaching?
That's actually a really strong fit based on everything we found. The Men 50+ Health Wake Up segment in particular is actively looking for someone to tell them exactly what to do. They don't want to figure it out themselves, which makes personalized coaching a natural upsell on top of digital courses. Want me to have the team dig deeper into what that business model could specifically look like? Pricing tiers, offer structure, that kind of thing?
Yeah, let's launch it. Let's actually create the offer, launch a website, make it look amazing with all the effects and scrolling animations, lots of images, very professional, and let's get it launched.
I love the direction. Before I send the team off, I want to make sure we nail a few things first. Do you have a name in mind for the business?
Yeah, you get creative. You give me a name.
Are we going with the Men 50+ longevity angle as the focus? Or do you want to keep it broader and serve both men and women in that midlife health space?
I think that's a good direction.
Perfect. I've got everything I need. The team is working on the brand name, the full offer structure, and building out the entire site right now.
You'll take care of hosting this and all the infrastructure, all the technical stuff, and you'll help me connect a domain to it. Is that right?
Exactly right. Hosting is fully handled. There's nothing for you to set up or manage on the technical side. And yes, when it comes to the domain, I can help you connect a custom domain to the site, whether you already own one or need to grab one.
So now remember, we talked about there being 5 essential ingredients to getting launched. One was a simple offer. Buildy did the market research, helped me establish what my offer is going to be, and then we're on to step 2, which is a page that clearly explains that offer. He's busy making it for me right now.
The site is ready, Bill.
And just like that, we have our offer and a page that explains it clearly on what it is, who it benefits, how it works, what problems it solves, and it's really clear on their next steps. So now we're moving on to item 3, which we need a way to collect leads. So let's see if Buildy can help us with that.
Hey, Bill. Welcome back.
I want a way to capture leads, and I want to subscribe people to a mailing list so I can follow up with them and send them emails. Can you help me with that?
Absolutely. Just to make sure I get this right, do you want me to add a lead capture form directly to the existing website and connect it to an email list? Or are you thinking of something separate like a standalone landing page? And do you already have an email marketing setup inside the project, or do you want me to build that out from scratch too?
Yeah, I want you to build the whole thing. And I'm thinking like we create a separate quiz, like we can have like a health assessment quiz that people fill out to get an answer at the end on what they need to do to improve their health. And then we could put buttons on the homepage that promote it. So people, when they see the homepage, they can click a button, go to the quiz, and then have them subscribe to my mailing list so we can send them emails. I think we could just call it your longevity protocol. How about that?
Love that. On the quiz, the team is building your longevity protocol as a fully standalone experience connected to your email list so every lead is captured automatically. They'll craft the quiz questions around the kind of health wake-up triggers we identified in the research, things like energy, weight, blood pressure, joint health, so the results feel genuinely personal. Once people complete the quiz, it'd be powerful to have a short automated email sequence that follows up with each subscriber based on their result. That way the lead doesn't go cold the moment they hand over their email.
Yeah, so you're saying you could build my follow-up system and send up emails. So like for the next 7 days after they sign up, can you send them an email every day?
Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about. A 7-day welcome sequence that goes out automatically the moment someone completes the quiz. Each email would build on the last, keeping them engaged and warming them up toward your coaching offer or programs. I can't kick that off just yet since the quiz build is still in progress, but as soon as that's done, that's the perfect next thing to send the team on.
So now we have a way to get leads. He's building it for us right now. It will be ready in moments. And then that knocks out number 3. And then number 4 is a way to actually follow up with them. He's going to do that for us too. I'll show you that next. And now we have our lead generation feature right there. So it added a new section to our homepage. We can click here and it takes us straight into a quiz. And when someone answers all the questions in the quiz, they're going to end up on our lead list for us to follow up with to sell our digital products and coaching. As you can see here, the person puts in their name and email address in order to get their assessment, and they become a lead in our system. It's that easy. So now here's the last step. Watch this.
Hey Bill, welcome back. The quiz is live and wired up nicely. The dedicated promotional section on the homepage should be making it hard to miss now. We could start driving traffic to the site with a paid ad campaign. What are you thinking?
Yeah, let's do this. Let's start up by having you finish the email sequence. So go ahead and write the 7-day follow-up email sequence that now sells our offer and drives people to go buy the offer on the homepage. And then I want you to also make me a social media post announcing the protocol and trying to get traffic from Instagram.
Quick question before I send the team off. For the Instagram post, are you thinking a single image, a multi-image carousel, or an AI-generated video?
For now, we'll do a single image post.
On it. I'll kick off both at the same time. Let me send the team the briefs now.
So as you can see, Buildy handled all 5 of those basic things for me. I now have a business that's ready to launch, ready to get traffic with social media posts, with paid ads, and a lot of other things that he can do to help us actually get traffic and customers. And it's all contained in Buildy. All the hosting, all the domain names, all the tech stuff, You don't need any other tool to pull this off. The point here is not that AI magically builds a business for you. It's not magic. The point is that AI can help you move much faster. It can help you get unstuck. It can help you build the first version of your product. It can help you launch before fear takes you out of the game. And for brand new entrepreneurs, this is huge because the hardest part is often not the idea, it's getting the idea out into the world. So here's the big takeaway. You do not need to launch 12 startups in 12 months, but you do need to launch something. A page, a quiz, an offer, a simple funnel, your first version, something real that people can respond to. Because the market cannot help you while your business is still trapped inside your notes app or inside your mind. You have to put it out there and then listen and then improve and then keep improving. And that is the path to a highly profitable business. So if you want to try this for yourself, I highly recommend you check out Buildy.ai. That is Buildy.ai. So go use Buildy, launch your idea out into the world, and now you have a faster way to escape the planning trap and start launching. By the way, if this video helped you out, do me a favor and give it that thumbs up. And of course, over on YouTube, if you're on YouTube, here down below, you'll see a red subscribe button. If this video is somewhere else, head over to YouTube, subscribe to our channel. I release content like this every single week, helping entrepreneurs launch, grow, and scale up their businesses to higher levels than you ever dreamed possible. So subscribe for more on that. We'll talk about AI tools, different online businesses you can start, lead generation, sales funnel, everything about making money online as a beginner. And remember, your first version does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be live. See you next time. Bye for now.